Hello there, my friend, and welcome. I am Angela, and what I do is I share with you simple ways for you to earn a passive income online. So, what you want to do is you want to make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and remember to smash that notification bell so you don't miss out on more training from me. Now, in this video, I will be sharing with you this amazing all-in-one marketing platform called Leadsleap, where you can go ahead and create a free lifetime membership. And with that, you get access to all these tools. So today, for the purpose of this video, we're going to focus on the page builder, which is absolutely an amazing tool that I use every single day. And you can create different types of pages. If you want opt-in pages, landing pages, if you're a marketer and you know exactly what I'm talking about, it's so important for you to build your list. And by getting people to opt into your capture page, that's the way it goes. So some of the things that are so unique about us is that we host the server for you. This is Leadsleap. And the page rotation capability, so you can actually split test different pages as well if you want, if you're that much advanced. And then you can, this is huge. If you have a team, you actually can share your share codes and share your information with your team. So your team can go ahead, for instance, here, while I have you, like this page here, I could give you a share code and you could actually copy this and have this in your back office, which is extremely powerful. So let's go back here. And tracking is so important. If you're a marketer, you want to be able to track where your traffic, your signups and sales are coming from. So with our page builder, you're able to do this. And then, as a free member, you can actually build up to 10 pages. So let's go into our back office here and just show you how simple it is. What you need to do is go to Page Builder, Page Manager here in order for you to build your page. So these are the different pages I have in the system. But for you to build, you just go to Add New Campaign. And I'm not going to go too much into it because I want to mostly share with you the different features that we have. But just to give you an idea, once you create a campaign, you click Add New Page to start. And if you have a share code, you can import the share code. Otherwise, if you want to build one from scratch, then you can go ahead and build. So you can see we have different opt-in pages here. If you want to build your list, this is so important. We have thank you pages after they opt in, they can land on that. We have reviews. If you want to write reviews of different opportunities, there's templates there. And then these are sales pages. Like what I do is after they opt into the opt-in page, they have a sales page. And then there's a download page. So all these here are done for you. You can come in here and just make them your own, okay? So if we close that and we go back here, and just to show you share code, if you had a share code that if somebody wanted to share with you their page, let's say for instance I want to share my page, you want this page here to be yours, then all you would need to do is when you go to Add New Campaign, right, you go to your Add New Start page. I would give you a share code. You just paste that there and import it, and that page would be imported in your back office. All you would have to do is change things to make it your own. Okay, very powerful feature. And then the next feature I want to share with you is tracking. My goodness, this is so powerful. So if I go to this page here, so I can click this, right, my stats, and then I can click here to share my stats. And here I can, so this page here is the same page I shared with you. That's the page that we're tracking, right? And we can change it to 30 days. You can see how many visitors landed on your site, how many are unique. So 5,700 in the last 30 days, 4,600 are unique. Real means they've been on your page for more than 10 seconds, 4,550 opt-ins in the last 30 days. So not just that, you can actually see exactly which one of your traffic methods are converting to leads. So you can see here, it's absolutely priceless information. So you can sort this out according to opt-ins. So you can see YouTube, Facebook, My Lead Gen Secret, all the different traffic generations I use, and then you could do it according to to traffic as well, so that whichever get the most traffic. So this is very important. Okay, so that's the page manager. If you're a marketer and you're looking for free tools that you can use to grow your business, then you can go ahead and click the link in the description to actually go through this funnel. And if you actually want the funnel, I have a share code which gets sent. The share code is sent out to you via email. So when you opt in and when you confirm, you get an email, and that email will have share codes there for you. So you can go ahead and click the link in the description to get that. Otherwise, if you found value in this video, smash that like button. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me on my Facebook profile page here. I'm more than happy to help you out. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been Angela, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you and have a fantastic day.